Hello, friends! Are you ready to learn colors with me? Let's paint and have some fun together. Here comes the first color, red. Look, a red apple, a red balloon, and a red car. Can you say it? Red! Yay! Now it's blue. The blue sky, blue butterfly, and blue boat. Say it with me. Blue. Next is yellow. The yellow sun and a little yellow duckling. So bright and happy, yellow. Here comes green. The grass, the frog, and the trees are green. Green is everywhere. Great job! Now orange. The orange fruit, the kite, and the pumpkin. Can you say orange? Wow! Next up, purple. Purple flowers and balloons look so pretty. Purple. Wonderful. And here's pink. Pink ice cream, pink hearts, and candy. So sweet. Pink. Wow, look, all colors together make a big rainbow. Red, orange, yellow, green, blue, purple, and pink. You did amazing. See you next time for more fun and learning. Yay! You did a great job. Don't forget to click the subscribe button and tap the bell so you never miss a fun learning video. See you next time, friends.